Okay, so it's nice and quiet in here right now. Here's the fan. When I step away from it, it's really hard to hear. If I'm cooking, nobody can hear me and I can't hear anybody because the fan is so loud. I have to turn it off. And you can't just zip through it like this. Because it doesn't go in real time. It's very frustrating. Here are the presets. So there's my manual. And then I have to press select, and then I have to press 325. I can just hit start. It shouldn't take that many steps. Then to bake, go through all, and I set that, start, and it'll preheat. It's just a lot of extra steps that don't need to be there. Additionally, these buttons are not lighted, so at night it's impossible to see anything on your panel. So if you're like me and you like to have the light on, the night light on, and you come in to turn it off, you end up turning on the fan instead, and then you have to push all the buttons to get the fan to turn off, and then you have to turn off the light. Just not a very good design in my opinion.